Alright guys, so we'll be unboxing the iPhone 15 Pro Max. There it is. I got the titanium version, titanium blue. Alright, let's go ahead and open the pull tab. Alright, and here we go. There it is. It looks really nice, guys. It was way bigger than my old phone, as you guys can see. Like, crazy bigger. I mean, it's not extremely bigger, but it's definitely bigger, especially with the case added onto mine. So the action button there. Those bumps are definitely really big. And then the box, we have Type-C to Type-C cable. And that is it. Nothing else. And then it comes with these stickers in the middle of this instruction box. That booklet, as always, pretty much. Now this basically tells you that you no longer need a physical SIM card to activate your eSIM during iPhone setup. Okay, don't know exactly how that works, but we'll figure it out. So let me boot it up for the first time. Let's see if we have any residual charges. Okay, we do. It has battery. There it is. We do have a full bar and everything. And you guys can see we do have bunch of fingerprints are showing up on the sides there. It does show on this brush aluminum, or not aluminum but titanium, I should say. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and set up this phone, and then we'll be doing our full basic review of this phone in a little bit. Alright guys, that's it for this unboxing. I'll see you guys.